is another sweater by BeautyDolls. And honestly, I was very, very disappointed with this one. And it is like the most wrinkly shirt I own. Like, I cannot get the wrinkles out or nothing. And I mean, look, like I've done everything to it and they just won't come out. And I mean, I've never wanted to just like toss a shirt so bad before, but I've been keeping it just because I think it's cute and it's very springy and I like the colors, but it drives me insane. So I think I'm gonna put this in the goodbye pile. I don't know. I might pull it, but as of now, it's going in the goodbye pile. Okay, next up is this Free People Catalina. I guess it's a sweatshirt, shirt, whatever you want to call it. Everyone needs at least one. Get them when they're on sale because they're usually 50% off somewhere. And they come in so many colors and I love the way they feel on. They just grab you like in the arms. I don't know, it feels good. Material is soft, size down though, because it does run large. So I'm definitely gonna keep that. And that one actually looks really good. Front tucked or slouchy off the shoulder. So yeah. Here is another London tee from Express. This is my backup white one. So definitely keeping that. Definitely keeping both of these because they are nostalgic to me. These were my little sweatshirts from back in my horse riding days. I could never ever get rid of these, so keeping them. I still wear them sometimes, by the way. Gosh, my pile. So here is another shirt from Shop Where I Dress that I was really disappointed about. I thought it was gonna be bigger. I should have sized up. It doesn't hit me the way it should. I really wanted that whole athleisure look with this, and I thought it was gonna be longer so I could wear it with leggings. You can, but it kind of, it's like fitting. And even though it has a little slit and stuff on the side, it just doesn't hit me. And plus I have a booty too, so that doesn't really help. But it just didn't fit me right. And it's the softest shirt ever, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it just because I feel like I'm not going to wear it. Now we're getting into the grays. This is another Walmart men's sweatshirt with the neck cut out. I just love these. They are so cute. It's just amazing what a cutout neck could do for a sweatshirt. So keeping that. I wear those all the time. This is a American Eagle long sleeve. It's like a baseball tee. It's really cute. I feel like I don't wear it enough, but I think I'm gonna kick myself if I get rid of it. So I'm gonna keep it. Here is another sweatshirt that I wear all the time. It says Cowboy Up because it's actually a men's, but I wanted it so bad. So I wear this all the time with jeans and cowboy boots or leggings and just tennies. It's just super cute. One of those Target long sleeves that kind of make me sad. I feel like this one doesn't stretch out as much, and I don't know if this material is a little bit different. It's got a little bit, it's not glitter, but it's just got that shiny thread in it. This one seems to hold its shape a little bit more, so I'm gonna keep that just because I do like it. Okay, here's another Walmart sweatshirt. I told you, I have them in so many colors. Okay, here is this is an old long sleeve. I've probably worn this like back in the day, but I mean, I like it, but I definitely don't wear it enough. So this is gonna go in the to-go pile. So this is actually like the other American Eagle little baseball tee, except it's camo. I do like this one a lot. So I do wear this one often, so keeping that. This I got at Target a couple years ago, and it's very athleisure looking. It has like little bell-bottom sleeves, really, really cute. It's got the slits, so it's cute with leggings. And I know I can't find this one, but I'm gonna keep it. So this one my mother-in-law picked up for me not long ago, and it just says no sleep club. Just because that's obvious. I have not been sleeping much lately, but this is like a really cute little, just like night shirt, you know, with some pajama pants. So I love this. So I'm gonna keep it. Makes me smile. And then it reminds me, you know, I will be thankful, which I am, for the sleepless nights, but it's just another reminder, like, don't be sad when you have a sleepless night. So, okay, this is a really old sweatshirt from years ago, and I still love it. Can't part with it, and I'm keeping it. And I think that one's from Target too. Okay, so this is one of the old Merona Target long sleeves. I can't part with this one either. It's just, I know I can't get this anymore, and the quality is great. These ones didn't stretch out like the newer ones do. So keeping that. All right, this one I've been on the fence about. I love this so much, but I don't know, lately it's like every time I put it on, I'm just not loving it. And I feel like if I get rid of it, I'm gonna kick myself, but it's just another Michael Lauren, a long sleeve with the thumb holes, but the cut of this one's different and it's thicker material, and I really, really love it. But I don't know what it is. There's just something about it that I'm not like 100% in love with. So I think I'm going to put this in the goodbye pile. Sad, but I seriously, I might have worn it once last year. And so that doesn't, obviously I don't love it that much, right? But all right, it's just a Carrie Underwood sweatshirt that I got from one of her concerts a few years back, which, you know, I'm not gonna get rid of that. This I got from Target, super cute, I love it, but I have so many that I don't even think I wore it last year. And it's adorable, but it is on the thinner side, and I think that's why, you know, when fall comes around the corner you want to wear it, but it's still a little bit chilly. I mean, it's thin. It doesn't look thin, but it is pretty thin. So I think I'm going to say no to that one. Okay, so one of my all-time favorites is this Wild Fox sweatshirt. I still wear it all the time, and I can't believe how good of shape it's still in. You guys, this is just, that's a go-to, and it always will be. And if something happens to that, I'm gonna be really, really sad. Okay, here is another Target faded short sweatshirt that I was talking about. This is the other one. So I haven't been wearing it, but I do love the color. I just love that distressed faded look to it, but I know I'm not going to wear it. Here is a Under Armour sweatshirt. I got this, I think it was for Christmas, or was it my birthday? I think it was Christmas. So I really do like this one a lot, so I'm gonna keep it. This Calvin Klein sweatshirt is actually my mom's. When she came to visit, she left it, and I put it on, and I'll never be able to part with it. So, and it's seriously so soft. Just like this. I wish I bought a backup of this one. This is a American Eagle. I forgot the name of, I think it was even called like Amazingly Soft sweatshirt. And it's kind of like a faded green. One of my all-time favorite sweatshirts. I really wish I bought a backup because I will be sad when something happens to that. Okay, so here is a Target sweatshirt. This is really similar to the Wild Fox ones that I was trying to explain to you about, like if you don't want to spend the money. Target has some. Only difference is they're a little bit thinner, but almost the same. But I feel like I never wear this one. So even though I just got it not long ago, I never reached for it. Here is another Wild Fox. This is an oldie, but I just can't part with this one. And it just says, wake me at sunrise. So I'm gonna keep that. Now that one's really thin. Here's another Wild Fox. Lots of pink Wild Foxes. This is a go-to for me. I always grab this one, especially when I have leggings on, doing housework. Super cute. Oh my gosh, my pile's gonna fall over. I better be careful. Okay, another Wild Fox. This I just love. I remember Lisa bought this and I had to have it. It came from Oliver, so I really, really love that sweatshirt. My pile's about to fall over, so I'm not even gonna try to put one more on there. This, I don't even know where I got this one, but there's just something about it that I don't know, I really like. Looks really cute with leggings. Very athleisure looking. I think it's the cut, so I'm gonna keep it. Don't put it on there. And my final sweatshirt, final one in my closet is this. If you guys remember Dixie Lee's Boutique, I got this from Carissa's store. It says Love Above All. And I still wear this all the time. So definitely a keeper. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've talked my head off. So far that's what I'm gonna be getting rid of. If there's anything that any of you guys would want that I showed that I was gonna get rid of, email me. I'll be happy to mail it to you. If you just wanna pay a few bucks for the shipping, I'll be glad to mail it. Like, I don't mind. I'd rather make someone smile. So anyways, we'll do t-shirts and tank tops in another video, but I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope the lighting was okay. And I hope you could see me because I can't see myself. So have a good one, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.